2003, the East Asian Seas Congress has established its reputation as an intellectual marketplace and ocean-based forum that uniquely focuses on the world's most diverse and fastest-growing region. The EAS Congress is a triennial regional ocean event that provides a dynamic platform for sharing knowledge, monitoring progress, undertaking collaborative planning, and building new partnerships in support of the region's coastal and ocean strategy, the Sustainable Development Strategy for the Seas of East Asia, or SDSC. The EAS Congress features various key and special events: the Ministerial Forum, International Conference, East Asian Seas Partnership Council, PAMC Network of Local Governments or PNLG Forum, PAMC Network of Learning Centers or PNLC Forum, International Exhibition, East Asian Seas Youth Forum, Partnership Night, and field visits. The EAS Congress provides opportunities to create ripples of change and impact, guided by the SDSC that contributes to achieving global sustainable targets, paving the way for action programs and investments in safe water and sanitation and pollution prevention and management, making cities and communities inclusive, safe, resilient, and sustainable, taking actions against and responding to climate change, managing the oceans and its ecosystem services as vital resources essential to humanity as a whole. Promoting efficient and effective collaborations and innovative partnerships of all stakeholders. Steadily expanding our functional and geographical scope. Moving towards our goal to give hope for the future. Healthy oceans, people, and economies. The East Asian Seas Congress